I'm now doing in a day or in a couple of days what it used to take a few weeks or months. And then there's just new things that aren't even possible. So if all of a sudden all the AI tools were out, it would actually be very difficult to keep moving at the same speed. I would have to recalibrate how much am I going to accomplish this week. But it's the same with anything. And there's
Yeah.
the trade-offs we make from using this stuff.
It's interesting talking about like moving at the same speed. It makes me think there was a big Wall Street Journal article on AI and businesses not that long ago where they were going through and I remember, my big takeaway I remember from reading it was that we feel like things are more efficient, but it's like we couldn't quite put our finger on it. Like nobody's like, oh my God, this job I have 20% more. It's like everyone feels a little better, but it's hard to put your finger on what exactly those changes are when it comes to these big organizations. But I think that's a really interesting measure of that is when you take it away, you go, oh crap, I use this for just about everything. Like we were joking about internet earlier. Could you talk a little bit more about what you've seen in that landscape?
One test to see how much progress you've made is to remove it. Like, how would you operate if we didn't have email, right? So if you and I, like coordinating this podcast, we've had to send mail or a whole bunch of phone calls back and forth. Like, it would just be a lot more difficult. We certainly wouldn't be able to record ourselves via video. The other thing is human beings are extremely adaptable and we get used to better standards, which is good because we keep striving for the next thing, but also it's easy to take things for granted. The average person today, or at least the average American, lives a higher quality of life than the richest person in the world 50 years ago, right? Meaning access to information, right? They used to be a rare thing. You had to go to the library. You had to hope that the people in your environment knew certain things. Now I can just ask a system and it'll give me a response tailored to me. I don't have to go out and find it in the book. It can get tailored to me. And then it can go build like an app. It can go build a project on my behalf with just my words. And so it's easy to take for granted the things that we have at our fingertips. But also, we are extremely adaptable, and there's a lot of change going on right now. And by the time I have kids and they're my age, they're going to have extreme technology, and it's going to be normal. And they're still going to struggle if the internet buffers a little bit or whatever the system is in the future, and they'll bumble around like we did earlier on this call.
This is something that just I just thought of with AI because you're 100% right. It's tailored to me. But the counter to that, I'm thinking is there's a nugget in each one of those books. Let's say maybe one or two of them have more than one. I can go online and I can get that nugget very rapidly from each of those books. But what I'm missing is the peripheral. It's the quote the Bible verse, but not know anything around the verse that's going on, right? What's some thoughts on that, Tim? How do we? Is there a counter to that? Should we be worried about that?
One of the core concerns with AI is if it's doing the thinking for us, do we develop our ability to think? I think that's a version of that. There's some growth that comes from the effort and the struggle of having to do things. A lot of people say there's the Disney movie Wall-E, where in the future we have extreme technology, but everyone's just fat and floating on these chairs. And it's like, are we moving subtly in that direction? And I think to some degree, there is a lot of ease to things that it creates, but also you have a lot more leverage. So my dad would often talk about how he would get information. So he would have to take the bus, go to the library, hope it had the book he was looking for, hope it was available, check it out for a
One
limited period of
copy of the
time,
whole
take it back
state. Yeah.
home, open it up, then find the information, etc. But it taught him adaptability, it taught him resilience, it taught him initiative, etc. But life is hard and there's no shortage of problems. So now I have AI tools, but now I can aim way higher than he ever could. Like I can build programs, I can build a business in a week that used to cost tens of thousands of dollars and might have taken months of time.